In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this meeting has an unexpected error on Zoom meeting app. So if you are trying to join a meeting or start a meeting but you are experiencing this error, this is usually error code 5003, as you can see it here. Then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you want to check and ensure you have a stable internet connection and also that you are not using any VPN. And if you have any security or proxy apps that are turned on your app or installed your app, you may want to remove them or turn them off and see if this fixes your issue. But should this not fix your issue, then you want to troubleshoot your Zoom app. To do that, go to your phone and look for settings app, and from settings go to apps, then manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, you want to search your Zoom app by name like that, and if you tap on it, you should see here this first stop option. Go ahead and tap on it to stop any background activities that might be causing any of this error. Then go to clear data and tap on clear cache, and again clear all data. Then restart your smartphone and open your Zoom app and everything should be okay. But at this point, should things not still work, then go to Google Play Store or App Store. So I'll go to Play Store here and check if we have an update. One of the reasons you are experiencing this is because you are using an outdated version of Zoom app that is not supported. Once you have updated your app, now you can open your app and you can now log in, and now you should be able to conduct your meeting or join any meeting without any issue. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.